College encourages for better participation in public life. Reserve Bank of India leaves rates intact, cuts SLR by 50 basis points. And Maharashtra Cabinet gives in principle approval of buying Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's London house and transform it into International Memorial. Good evening and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. I am Shama Mishra and now the news in detail. Vice President Hamid Ansari, who is on a two-day visit to Mumbai, today interacted with the students of Wilson College and responded their questions on different issues. In his interaction, he emphatically said that active participation of youth in governance is the need of the hour. He added that there is nothing that doesn't affect a citizen.
There is nothing that does not affect a citizen. Everything that happens in a society affects a citizen for better or worse. And you should therefore participate in public life, take interest in public life.
Expressing his view on gender discrimination, he said that this issue should be addressed socially and the attitude towards women should be positive both in public as well as private sphere of life. Responding to a question, he said that secularism means that state has no religion of its own and objective criteria will be followed by the state.
Secularism means that the state shall not have a religion of its own. The state shall judge on objective criteria, not on grounds of religion, caste, sex or creed.
Now, taking a very cautious step in its 6th bi-monthly monetary policy review, the Reserve Bank of India kept policy rates unchanged after easing monetary policy just 3 weeks ago, suggesting government's annual budget at the end of this month may hold the key to future action. The RBI kept its policy repo rate unchanged at 7.75%, cash reserve ratio at 4%, reserve repo rate at 6.75%. Giving banks a headroom, RBI cut the statutory liquidity ratio, the minimum portion of net deposits that banks must hold on government bonds, cash or gold by 50 basis to 21.5% from 7th Feb.
The guidance remains what it was when we cut rates, that further action will be in the direction that was initiated, and that it will depend on developments, in particular on developments on the fiscal front, as well as a continuation of the disinflationary process. So our further actions will be driven by the data.
Maharashtra Cabinet today decided to buy Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's London house and make it into an international memorial. A special committee under the guidance of Social Justice and Special Assistance Department has been formed for the facilitation of the process of buying the house. Dr. Ambedkar stayed at 10 King Henry Road, NW3, while he was pursuing higher studies at the London School of Economics during 1921-22. In another major decision, the Cabinet has approved additional fund of 110 crore rupees under improved compensation method to the farmers affected by the unseasonal rains and hailstorm between November-December 2014. Now, in a strong message to corrupt babus, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis today ordered to take immediate action against those officials who have been guilty for corruption by court but still continue in office due to lack of subsequent departmental action. To tackle water crisis in drought-affected areas, Konti village of Buldhana district of Maharashtra has come up with an inspirational initiative of water management and conservation which will help people facing acute water crisis. More in our report. Marathwada region of Maharashtra is among the drought-affected areas of the state. Even in such adverse conditions, Konti, a small village of Buldhana district in the region, has emerged as a ray of hope for other villagers facing water crisis. Through its water management and conservation initiatives, the water has been successful in tackling the acute water crisis and also managed to achieve remarkable growth. More than 150 check dams have been constructed across the village with the help of Forest and Agriculture Department and localites, which resulted in regeneration of water bodies, resolving the problems of water supply and storage in the region. It has also benefited the farmers economically by boosting agriculture, sheep rearing and dairy farming and other activities, generating additional income and bringing smile on their faces.
जलसंधाराच्या कामामुळे आमच्या गावात पाण्याची पातळी खूप वाढलेली आहे. त्याच्यामुळे या गावात नवीन काहीतरी घडावे त्यामुळे मी या गावात शेडनेट घेतलेला आहे.
The farmers of the area are appealing to the state government to acknowledge and analyze the success of the project in the village.
ग्राम विकासाच्या ज्याही शासनाच्या नवनवीन योजना असतील त्या योजनांमध्ये आम्ही सक्रिय भाग घेऊन सगळ्या योजनांचे काटेकोरपणे पालन करून आमच्या ग्रामस्थांचा आणि गावातील शेतकऱ्यांचा कसा विकास होईल याचं एक उद्दिष्ट डोळ्यासमोर ठेवून वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या शासनाच्या योजनांची चांगल्या प्रकारे अंमलबजावणी इथं करून आम्ही आमच्या गावकऱ्यांचा आणि ग्रामस्थांचा इथं शेतकऱ्यांचा विकास केलेला आहे.
Through their achievement, they have set an example for other drought-affected villages of Vidarbha and Marathwada region to emulate their success story to tackle water crisis and not resort to drastic steps like suicides. Bureau Report, DD News, Mumbai. World Cancer Day is observed on 4th February every year with the primary goal to significantly reduce illness and death caused by cancer. Today, on the eve of World Cancer Day, Kohinoor Hospital in Mumbai took a unique initiative of spreading no smoking awareness by organizing a unique funeral of a 10-feet-long cigarette. As smoking has been the most primary cause of cancer across the world, keeping this in mind, hospital carried out the cigarette in an open cancer vehicle in a rally that began from Diamond Garden to Chembur Gautan area. The procession was given a strong message to quit smoking habit and also spreading awareness among the people regarding preventive measures to be taken on how to fight against cancer. Around 200 people, including oncology doctors, students and other hospital staff gathered to witness the funeral.
Cigarettes are very harmful. They are the main cause of cancer, and this message we are trying to spread by involving school children and college students, because this generation is now getting more and more involved in cigarette smoking, taking tobacco in terms of pan masala, etc., etc.
Director Sanjay Leela Bansali, who recently received the Padma Shri Award, spoke exclusively to DD News of how he feels after receiving the honor.
I feel very good, darling. I feel honored and I feel my work is being accepted, and I am very grateful to the government for giving it to me, and it means a lot of responsibility. I have to work harder and I have to work more, which I have been, in any case I have been, but it's nice to know that your work is accepted and loved. Thank you so much.
Contamination and pollution of water due to discharge of untreated sewage into sea is a cause of concern. In order to mitigate the water pollution, Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai and Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages Limited recently launched a sewage water treatment plant project at Mahim Causeway Pumping Station. The plant was inaugurated by Minister of Industries Subhash Desai, Mayor of Mumbai Snehal Ambekar and various other dignitaries from MCGM and HCC BPL. Speaking on the occasion, Desai said that this initiative is a very good example of public-private partnership. This project is based on rotating media biological reactor, which will treat and reuse the wastewater. MCGM will be responsible for subsequent operation, maintenance and usage of the water.
This is a joint initiative of the Municipal Corporation and Coca-Cola, Hindustan Coca-Cola, to set up a 1 million liters per day sewage recycling plant which can treat the wastewater from the Bandra pumping station and make it available for use for gardening, for toilet flushing, for construction and non-portable uses.
Well, that's it then in this edition of Metro Scan from Mumbai. We'll be back tomorrow evening with more updates from Mumbai. Till then, it's back to Delhi studios. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.